In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to clear the cache of the Facebook app on your Android device. Clearing the cache can help improve the app's performance and resolve issues like slow loading, freezing, glitches, and bugs. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Apps. And then tap on the search icon at the top right. And search for Facebook. Tap and select the Facebook app from the search results. And then scroll down to the bottom and tap Storage. All you have to do next is tap on the Clear Cache button at the bottom right. This will remove all temporary files stored by the Facebook app, which can free up some space and potentially fix any problems you've been experiencing. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.